Okay, so once you create your account, you're going to automatically get logged into it. And the first thing you'll see is up top, you'll see here where you need to verify your email address. So after you create your account, they're going to send you 2 emails, and all you have to do is click in the email to confirm your account. And then next I'm going to show you how you can make your deposit. Okay. Before I go into the deposit steps, I want to just share the different tiers here so you can see what the performance fee would be. What the performance fee means is that is the percentage of the profits that go to the company. Okay. So starting at your account at $100, plus you pay the 10% license fee on top of that. So that would be, you know, if you started at $110, your performance fee is going to be 50%. Okay, so that means you keep 50% of the profits, and then 50% of the profits go to the company. All right, starting with a $500 amount, remember to always add the 10% of whatever you choose to deposit. Always add that on top of your deposit so you can be in the range that you choose to be in. So starting at 500, your performance fee is 40%. At 2,000, your performance fee is 35%. And I'm told that you can get into these tiers, you know, as you compound up. Okay. Starting at 8,000 is 30%. Starting at 25,000, then it's 25%. And then the maximum is 100,000. Your performance fee would only be 20%. Okay. So again, what that means is at the end of the week, when they tally your profits for your account, those profits then would be split between you and the company. And depending on where your trade account balance falls, that is the percentage split. Okay. All right, so now let's do a deposit. Okay, so you'll come to, you'll be, you know, right here on your home screen. And from right here, you can click Add Funds. So let's click that. And then here, you will see a little arrow where you can click that, and it will show you all of the cryptos that you can deposit. So you can deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, ERC20, Binance, BEP20, Tron, TRC20, and then USDC on Binance and on Ethereum chains. And then you can also deposit BNB and Solana. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to deposit USDT BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain. Okay, and I'm going to start it with the minimum here, $50, just to make sure that everything is everything. This is what I always do when I am testing a new platform. All right, so I'll put 50 there, and we're going to click Create Deposit. So we'll create the deposit. All right, so it's giving me the deposit address and everything like that. And I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to do the deposit, and I'll come right back here. So let me pause the video. All right, so the 50 bucks got added, so we're good to go there. So now I will put in the real amount, which I'm going to start this off with a $1,000 test. So 10% of that would be 1,100. So I'm going to make a deposit minus the 50. So I'm going to pause the video, and I will make the other $1,050 deposit. All right, so the funds have arrived. As you can see, 1,100 is now in the account. So once the 10% license fee is taken out, then my trading account will start at 1,000. All right, so all you're going to do now is just go click on trading, and you'll see here lots of good. This is a really well thought out user interface. So you'll be able to see the live trading feed. You can also view, excuse me, your trading statistics, performance, and all of that if you click on it. This is just going to give me the overall because I haven't started my own account, right? So, but this is just showing you what it's done over the last 3 months. This is the performance. Well, let's go last month, 13.47. Last 3 months, there's the performance there. Last 6 months, and the last year, right? So this is really, really good. And then this shows you the individual trades as well. So if you're a trader and you know how to do back testing and stuff like that, you can also see that, you know, the trades are real. And then I'm also going to place in this video, I'm going to place a video clip of the CEO actually logging into Binance and showing you from Binance's side. Okay. All right. So anyways, let's go back here to trading. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add those funds that I deposited into trading. So click on add. And I'm going to put the entire amount here. And it's going to minus out 990. Why is it 990? Okay, so I need to look like I need to add $10 more. Okay. I won't worry about that because the tier is going to be the same whether it's 1,000 or whether it's 990. It will still be 110. Yeah, I didn't account for that. Let me pause it and add another $10. All right, so the blockchain is taking a little bit longer than anticipated, so I want to go ahead and finish this video. So the other little portion that I'm going to deposit in here, it's on the way. Once it's confirmed, I'll just add it in. So it's not going to be a difference anyways, but just know this is a lesson here. Just know that whatever amount that you want to actually be trading on, right, that you do this, that you make sure that, let's just say, you know, $1,000 is what you want in your trading account. So it's going to be like really like maybe 1150 or 1120. So 1120 minus the 10%. Remember, that's the license fee. Yeah, that will leave you with 1,008 in your trading account. Okay, just so you know. But whatever amount you deposit, it's going to subtract out the 10% license fee. Okay, just want you to be real clear because right here, if we go here and we go back to the performance tiers, right, it's going to make a difference if you're right on the borderline for the next tier. Okay, I'll put it that way. All right, so just whatever amount you're going to deposit, just subtract 10% from that amount, and then wherever your account balance will fall, then this will be the corresponding performance fee that you would be paying each week out of your profits. Okay. All right, so once you have made your deposit, all you do is you come to trading, click on add, and I'm going to go ahead and just put 1,100, the entire amount, and you'll see it'll say what the license fee is and then how much is going into your trade. So I'm going to confirm this. All right, so it has been added. Your funds will start generating profits on the next working day. So remember, the trades are done because the algorithm is set Monday to Friday. Okay. So this is Sunday that I'm actually doing this video. So it will start on tomorrow. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and select auto reinvest. All right. So I toggle that on. And then right here, what this is saying is that This is showing you kind of like the tier until you get to the next level for your performance fees. Okay, so right now I'm at the advanced. Oh no, I will go to the advanced. I'm at the basic right now. Sorry. So I'm at the basic right now, right, which is showing you the 40%. And then once it compounds up, or if I add more to the account balance, then I will go to the advanced. So that's what that's showing you. This down here is just going to show you your profits last week, the last 30 days, the current week profits. You see the next distribution shows 5 days, 1 hour, 39 minutes. So the trading will start in the next hour, 40 minutes. Okay, because remember the trading is Monday through Friday. But you can make your deposit whenever. If it's the middle of the week, go ahead and get it going. You know, you don't have to wait right until the top of the week and everything like that. All right. All right. So the next part of this video is I will share with you. The video clip from the CEO Felix actually showing you the live trades and showing you the actual corporate Binance account. All of the other information is below as well. How you can meet me in Hong Kong, and then also the full video presentation, and then there's some downloads as well, so you can do all of your due diligence to see, you know, if this project resonates with you, if this is something that you want to add into your portfolio. And then if you'd like to work with me again, lock arms, and we can, you know, build this together. All right. So bless up, family. See you in the next video.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming together on this Sunday evening call to give everybody the ultimate proof. Before we start, I start as well from the beginning. Wait, let me share my screen with the big one. Let me close that all. I open that. So, kann sein, dass ich mich gar nicht ausgeloggt habe. So. So, here we are now entering the same account as before, but let us go through one time inside. So even we go here on our order list from Friday, and we see here the orders inside from Friday. You see Wibble, Solana, and when we now go on our order book in my software, trades, we see exactly the same. Ripple, Solana. 6,600, 66,360. 66,360. The last order, what we placed 2 seconds before closing time. All right, then I would say we go back to the dashboard and we make the transfer now for our DAO. So we withdraw something. So we take our BNB, the address I have already, the PEP20. I make another amount, and then we press on withdraw. Yep. Of this I confirm. Da ist schon raus. Alright. So, jetzt warten wir auf die Bestätigung.
Okay, I can confirm. I think you should refresh because I think I received the money already.
Yep. Here it says completed.
You say completed. Okay, I will.
Genau. Here as well, everything.
Yes.
Then we can
Okay.
go on this one. Transaction hash.
Yeah.
Was
All
is
visible.
verified. Binance wallet.
Yes.
Genau. Maybe you can show it on your screen. I will go out one times.
Yes. Okay, I will share the screen. I just refresh it and I see the transaction here. So you see BNB 0.68. So we can click it. It's here. Confirmed. View on Blockchain Explorer. We can see
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
And obviously we can see this, all details. What we need is from the Binance hot wallet, as you see. So all
Perfect.
done. Yeah, all done. Woo!
Perfect. Perfect.
Applause,
Amazing.
yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
Amazing, amazing. Yeah, we
Amazing,
confirmed
guys.
the transaction and it's working and it's all real. Fantastic. Thank you so much. You should send 100 million. I would be more happy then.
Genau, Typing Mistake, ne? Ja, I know.
Why is so small? You know.
Genau.
Warte,
All right,
verschlucken
yeah,
die-
then I say thank you to everybody and I wish everybody a good night then today.
Thank you. Thank you so much.